Yo, what's good people, it's Cactus. I'm here at the Qube in London. One of the best studios I've been to in a long time. This whole setup is sick. Gio's pulling up soon and we'll be making a full track from scratch. But I'm also going to be breaking down one of the quickest and easiest ways to mix vocals in a session. So huge shout out to Waves for sponsoring this video. They make some of the sickest plugins, but I'm going to be breaking down StudioVerse, which I'll get more into soon. So let's get straight into it. You saying, my bro?
You saying, Jay, man?
It's been a while, man.
I know, man. We're back, innit?
Do you know what kind of vibe you've been on recently?
I just took it straight back to the real rap, man. Pain music.
Had enough of drill?
I've not had enough, but
yeah,
you just take it back to how I started, innit? Do you know what I mean?
I feel like that's always been your roots. You were sick at drill as well, like with Change Who, like the tracks that we had on the album as well. Family First was sick. That's more of like a different vibe of drill, but I was always a fan of your like cocky drill style. Because you had those like melodic beats and like sort of like playful with it, but your flows were just sick on them, man.
Yeah.
I don't know if you were like realized how good you were at that, but I think if you maybe don't listen to a lot of drill, or if that wasn't what was inspiring you as much as the rap beats, then
I think it all boils down to like where you are in life, innit? Do you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, of course. I guess ultimately with music, it's like you have to go with your heart, don't you?
It's mood as well, innit?
Yeah.
Do you know what I'm saying?
Well, let's cook up some real rap, like Pain chords, and then build around that.
Yeah.
See if you like the vibe. I'm thinking like a piano, even some sort of like electric piano, but we'll see.
You're the main man anyway, man. You know what you're doing.
I try, man. I try. I've just been put onto this Waves plugin as well. Literally, like any instrument you can think of, you just type it in. We can get a nice piano if we need it. This was the one I was liking earlier, like this progression. Because from the tracks that you showed me recently as well, I'm just thinking like spacious drums, nothing too crazy. Just let the chords speak and
less
let you
is
speak.
more, innit?
Yeah. So with these type of beats as well, I like to have one section where it's kind of bare and maybe just some sort of like tom playing.
Yeah.
And then have a different part where like proper drums come in.
Yeah.
I'll play around with the piano a bit as well. I just want to get the vibe down.
I think you're still using Fruity Loops.
Of course, man. It's actually FL Studio now, but...
This one's nice.
This is your type of vibe, actually.
Put like an electric guitar in there or something.
Yeah. Try different pianos as well.
Yeah.
Like just none of them got like a nice melody down. Or even like an electric piano.
Yeah. Sometimes the normal piano sounds a bit annoying, innit?
Yeah. But if you can get like a nice sort of like a Rhodes, you know, like I'll show you what I mean. Just find the right one.
Turns into a wave as well, innit?
Yeah.
The same melody though, innit?
Yeah. So this is what we had. And then I've just got this like... Because I could keep the electric one as like the counter melody. But this is like the main piano.
Sounds nice with a mix.
Yeah.
With both of them.
And we'll have one part where there's like proper drums, I think. Maybe some vocals as well, just like washed out vocals. I play around with the key as well, so like, or we could do like down.
That's crazy.
We could do down like
I
that.
like this one.
Like there, yeah. Do you find it annoying when producers keep stopping and starting the beat?
No. I understand it because it's changing every time anyway.
Thinking maybe some like something else for the instruments, like some vocals or maybe a guitar in one part. Do you find yourself gravitating towards certain instruments more?
Yeah, but
Like
it's
when you're
hard
picking
because
beats?
because I don't make beats. I don't know what them instruments are, innit?
Oh, okay.
There's certain sounds
Yeah.
that I like, and I don't know how to explain it, man.
This one.
This one's good. That one there. Isn't what it seems like playing with pianos, I feel the keys. I grew up when I block, I was like, oh, yeah, fiends. Ain't that so happy on the field? I'm crazy in my teens. I'm so on the fiends. I'm crazy in my teens right now.
Vocals sound perfect, isn't it?
Yeah. See it, saying that they love you. But isn't what it seems like playing with pianos, I feel the keys. I grew up on the block, I'm so comfy around the fiends. It seems like playing with pianos, I feel the keys.
What direction you thinking of going for this one?
Kind of got a direction already.
Yeah?
Like, yeah.
Paint stuff?
Yeah, man. They all fake it, wish I see it much sooner. I use the tears from my eyes to what it sees for the future. All the times that I show love to these people, change lives and take them out of the mud like a beetle. I was down and needed help, couldn't see it.
One of those ones I don't really want to add too much to.
Yeah.
Sometimes I overproduce, like I think, oh, I need to add more stuff.
Yeah.
But then I know you like your beats quite open as
Subtle,
well, don't
innit?
you?
Yeah.
Alright, so while Gio's writing, let me break down StudioVerse real quick. So StudioVerse is a massive online library of instrument and vocal presets. You can browse through thousands of custom presets for pianos, pads, synths, and more. Plus, you can open up StudioVerse effects to pull up mixing chains from legends like Young Guru. This is a game changer when you're in a session with an artist because you can quickly pull up mixing chains to get an instant professional sound, and then you can always tweak the individual plugins and parameters later. Not everybody wants to sit through the whole mixing process, so anything you can do to speed up your workflow makes the session run way smoother. One of my favorite features is you can upload your own instrument and effect chains, even with third-party plugins, so others can use them in any DAW. And as a gift, I'm uploading the exact effect chain we used for Gio's vocals on the Love and War album. Just perfect for rap artists. So if you want to try StudioVerse for yourself, just click the link in the description. Let's get back into it. You know what I'm thinking? I might just do like a quick structure because we've got a few different sections. Like I'll have one section where everything kind of drops out and it's back to that, and then I might just get your vocals on and then build
Work
around
it.
that.
Yeah.
So I could even just have like that and then straight away from here start with the verse there.
Straight into it.
I think that let you kind of build up to it.
I hate questioning my people, but I can't tell it's my friends. And is it mental health or people fucking with me again? I don't know about these Instagram friends that act all pally, but they ain't with you when there's war and it ends.
Because you said you wanted to do the verse, the hook a bit more melodic, didn't you?
Yeah.
So I might make the hook a bit less intense drum-wise. So like this will still be the verse. And then kind of
I'll rap to you, I'll go on the hook in it so you can understand it.
Do you want to do the verse as well?
I'll do the verse and then the hook,
Okay.
A fucking Instagram mention, you want smoke, I got a Benson for your henchman. I cry tears, but I'm using these tears to water seeds. They saying that they love you, but baby, they saying what it seems. I'm playing with pianos, but baby, I fiddle keys. I grew up on that block, I'm so comfy around the fiends. And then I'll just double it, do you know what I'm saying?
That's hard.
Kill
it. Yo, Gio, can you hear me when I talk now?
Yeah.
I'll just do one for level checks and then we'll go into it.
Yo. They all fake, wish I see it much sooner. I use the tears from my eyes to water seeds for the future. All the times that I showed love to these people, I changed lives and took them out of the mud like a beetle. I was down and needed help, couldn't see you.
Boy, Gio with the vocals, you know. I'm just gonna find a quick preset to get some auto-tune on as well, just to get like an idea down. I'm just gonna get this auto-tune like kind of right, so
yeah.
just do that hook part again.
Cool. I cry tears, but I'm using these tears for what I see is that saying that they love you, but this ain't what it seems. I ain't playing with pianos, but baby, I fiddle keys. I grew up on the block, I'm so comfy around the fiends.
I think that sounded good, man. I just wanted to get like a quick, subtle mix.
Say no more. Is it real, is it fake? This ain't like checking is a watch rule. Do you even check on your mates? If there's no bread involved, if they're riding, then I'm deaf involved. I'm here for my broski. I'm deaf or not a brokey. I swear all the shotters know me. Probably half them shotters owe me. And I put that on this rollie. No older head control me. Ask anyone. The food came, you asked for it, but brother, it's already done. If I say it, then I'll get it done. Rolling with this thingy, man, you better run. Counted up 1,000, like 10,000 times. I'll vouch you once, can vouch you twice. So brother, hold it down for life. I said, brother, hold it down for life. I'll vouch you once, can vouch you twice. So brother, hold it down for life.
It's too easy for him. Perfect, man. Try one more, yeah, but more like, let me show you. Are we in this shit together? Are we in this shit together? Are we in this shit together? Do you know what I'm saying? Are we in this shit together? Do you know what I mean?
Are we in this shit together, or you in this for some self-gain? I'm applying all this pressure.
I think that one sounded better. So I think that's pretty much it. Right, this isn't the final mix, obviously, but let's have a listen.
Yeah. You know, when me and Cactus link up, we do a man. You have to bring that real rap back. Yo. They all fake, I wish I see it much sooner. I use the tears from my eyes to water seeds for the future. All the times that I show love to these people, changed lives and took them out of the mud like a beetle. When I was down, I needed help, couldn't see you. When they turned against me, where was you? Tables turn again, I got more shares to lose, but never again. I hate questioning my people, but can't tell who's my friends. Is it mental health or people fucking with me again? I don't know about these Instagram friends that act all pally-pally, but ain't with you when there's war in the ends. And if the shoe fits, then wear it. Got a problem, then declare it. Too many pollens, I can't fish it. In the trenches, I am near it. Fuck an Instagram mention, you want smoke, I got a Benson. Yo. And fuck an Instagram mention, you want smoke, I got a Benson. Yo. I cry tears, but I'm using these tears.
This verse is sick. In the hook as well, man.
But this ain't what it seems. I ain't playing with pianos, but baby, I fiddle keys. I grew up on the block, I'm so comfy around the fiends. I grew up on the block, I'm so comfy around the fiends.
You mentioned some like delay there as well. Delay, nice reverb.
I said I grew up on the block, I'm so comfy.
The whole tune will sound completely different once it's mixed as well.
Yeah.
Yo. Is it real, is it fake? This ain't like checking is a watch rule. Do you even check on your mates? If there's no bread involved, if they're riding, then I'm deaf involved. I'm here for my broski. I'm deaf or not a brokey. I swear all the shotters know me. Probably half them shotters owe me. And I put that on this rollie. No older head control me. Ask anyone. The food came, you asked for it, but brother, it's already done. If I say it, then I'll get it done. Rolling with this thingy, man, you better run. Counted up 1,000, like 10,000 times. I'll vouch you once, can't vouch you twice. So brother, hold it down for life. Yeah, counted up 1,000, like 10,000 times. I'll vouch you once, but brother, I can't vouch you twice. Are we in this shit together, or you in this for some self-gain? I'm applying all this pressure. Pass my lighter off the dresser, I just roll the spliff, we'll smoke this shit together, yo.
Killed it.
Come on, man. Always kill it.